After 6 days of testimony, an Albuquerque judge has made his decision. There's enough evidence to put the two APD officers who shot and killed James Boyd on trial. News 13's Haley Rush has been covering the hearing since day one. She's live at district court with the decision. Haley?
Jessica, the judge took only 3 hours to decide that Officer Perez and former Officer Sandy should face a jury.
I think it was a very difficult decision for the judge and for everybody. I think what the judge has established is that police officers can't shoot if there's an imagined threat, but only if there's a real threat.
From day one, prosecutors have claimed Boyd surrendered and was turning before he was shot. In closing arguments, the special prosecutor said Boyd should have been asked to leave the foothills, and that should have been the end of it. But the defense doesn't see it that way. They say Perez and Sandy saved a K-9 officer's life after he got too close to Boyd, who was holding 2 small knives.
How can you follow your training given to you by the state and have the mens rea or criminal intent to commit murder? It does not equate.
Bregman says his client Keith Sandy is sleeping tonight, knowing an officer is probably alive because of his efforts that day. Now the next step will be an arraignment for Perez and Sandy. No word when they'll go to trial. Jessica, back to you.
All right, thank you, Haley. The jury will have options if they want Sandy and Perez. They're charged with aggravated battery, voluntary manslaughter, and second-degree murder.